Okay, so today we want to explore this. We experiment with Quot and Do. So we have learned that if true, do this, else that is the same as this. How does this affirmation like hold? I'm going to get a new terminal. Then let's go into IXE. Okay, there we are. So quote, we want to quote do quote do if true do this, else we're going to do that. Okay, and so the expression is being expanded to an if atom, then a list, a keyword list. I think it's the dependencies and the environment that are required. Then the two arguments that are going into this if thing is true. It's true because we have true there, and then a keyword list do this, and also else that, another key, and that. However, we want to see if this is the same as this, if it will yield to the same expression, and therefore the two statements are the same. So when you do quote do, basically going to copy this. So much for typing. So this gets us an error, and we need to edit that something. So how do we solve this error? I think Quot and Do needs, I think, expressions. I find that when I put brackets to wrap up the whole thing as an expression, then the compiler is not confused anymore, and then the two statements are the same. Yeah, so that's how you do that. But we can continue our exploration of quote do. We can do if, and then so there is an if atom there, then it's just Elixir, like it's the base, the root, the beginning thing, the thing that stands. Yeah. By the way, what happens when you do quote do nothing? Quote do nothing does nothing. Quote do nothing does nothing. Ooh, let's see. Quote do and then end. We can't quote do end. So let's say quote do if of course quote do if Mike atom Mike. So Mike is like the only argument to the keyword list, and so this is importing the if, you'd call it function, and it takes up two parameters. Yeah, so I don't know whether that means takes up two parameters. No, it's importing. I don't know what is actually meant by this, because in the text here, in the documentation,